Welcome to the show. Today we're tackling a subject that's important to a lot of you gaining weight. We're going to do this the right way with proper food that will fuel your body and get you the results you want. Today, we're going to talk about 16 healthy foods that can help you gain weight. First up, we've got avocados, packed with healthy fats and calories, little green rockets of energy. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or eat them straight up. I like to add lime juice and chili flakes, full of vitamins and minerals, proper fuel for your body. Your body will thank you. You'll feel the difference. Get a ripe avocado, slice it, remove the pit, and mash it. It'll taste better, and you'll feel accomplished. Avocados, your secret weapon for healthy weight gain. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of nuts and nut butters. These little fellas are like calorie bombs, packed with healthy fats and protein. We're talking almonds, cashews, walnuts, the lot. First off, you want to make sure you're getting unsalted nuts. Mix it up a bit. Add some variety to your diet. A handful of almonds here, a spoonful of peanut butter there. Nut butters are a brilliant way to add some healthy fats to your diet. Spread it on toast, add it to smoothies, or just eat it straight from the jar. Stick to natural nut butters with minimal ingredients. Ditch the junk food and embrace the power of nuts and nut butters. For years, eggs got a bad rap. People were too busy fretting over cholesterol to realize the power packed inside these little oval wonders. We're talking about a complete protein source, chock full of vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. And don't even get me started on the versatility. Scrambled, fried, poached, boiled. The possibilities are endless. You can have eggs for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even a midnight snack. And don't even think about tossing the yolk. That's where all the good stuff is hiding. Eggs can actually help raise your good cholesterol levels, which is what you want. So there you have it. Eggs are your new best friend when it comes to gaining weight the healthy way. They're affordable, versatile, and packed with nutrients. What more could you ask for? Now let's talk dairy. And I'm not talking about that watery, tasteless skim milk. I'm talking about full-fat, glorious dairy. Milk, cheese, yogurt, embrace it all. Full-fat dairy is packed with calories and nutrients that are essential for healthy weight gain. It's got protein for building muscle, calcium for strong bones, and healthy fats for energy. So ditch the low-fat, fat-free nonsense and treat yourself to the real deal. Start your day with a bowl of full-fat Greek yogurt, topped with fruit and nuts. Have a glass of milk with your lunch. Add some cheese to your sandwiches and salads. Listen, life's too short to deny yourself the pleasure of good dairy. So go on, indulge a little. Your body will thank you for it. All right, you lot, listen up. We're about to tackle a topic that gets some people all riled up. Red meat. I'm talking about good quality, lean cuts of beef, lamb, and pork. Red meat is a powerhouse of protein and fat. It's packed with essential nutrients like iron, vitamin B12, and zinc. Opt for leaner cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, and eye of round. These cuts are lower in saturated fat and calories. Red meat can be a healthy and delicious part of a weight gain diet. Now, for all you fish lovers out there, this one's for you. Salmon and other oily fish like tuna, mackerel, and sardines are swimming in healthy fats and protein. We're talking about omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and yes, even weight gain. Salmon in particular is a superstar when it comes to nutrition. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Salmon is incredibly versatile and can be grilled, baked, pan-fried, or even eaten raw as sashimi. Tuna, mackerel, and sardines are all excellent sources of protein and healthy fats. Mix it up and experiment with different types of oily fish. For years, carbohydrates have been demonized, blamed for everything from weight gain to fatigue. But here's the truth. Carbs are not the enemy. In fact, they're an essential part of a healthy diet, especially if you're trying to gain weight. Potatoes in particular have gotten a bad rap, but these starchy tubers are actually nutritional powerhouses packed with carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Potatoes can be boiled, mashed, roasted, fried, in moderation of course, and even turned into delicious salads. Rice, quinoa, oats, and even bread can all be part of a healthy weight gain diet. Choose whole grain varieties whenever possible, as they're higher in fiber and nutrients. Rice, a staple in diets worldwide, often gets overlooked in the quest for weight gain. But rice is calorie dense and can help you gain weight healthily. Brown rice is a nutritional powerhouse loaded with fiber and magnesium. It provides sustained energy, perfect for fueling workouts. Explore white, black, and wild rice varieties. Add rice to stir-fries, soups, salads, or as a side dish. Now, for all you chocolate lovers out there, this one's for you. Dark chocolate, my friends, is not your enemy. In fact, it can be your ally in the quest for healthy weight gain. I'm talking about good quality, dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher. Dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber. It's also surprisingly calorie-dense, making it a great choice for those looking to add some healthy calories to their diet. Dark chocolate has also been shown to improve heart health, boost brain function, and even lift your mood. So go ahead, indulge in a square or two of dark chocolate after dinner. You deserve it. Now let's talk about oils. I know, the word fat tends to send shivers down people's spines, but fear not, my friends, because not all fats are created equal. Healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet and can actually aid in weight gain. Olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, these are your new best friends. These oils are packed with healthy fats, antioxidants, and flavor. They're incredibly versatile and can be used for cooking, baking, or simply drizzled over salads and vegetables. Olive oil in particular is a superstar when it comes to health benefits. So ditch the processed vegetable oils and embrace the goodness of healthy oils. Listen up, cheese lovers, this one's for you. Cheese, that glorious creation that makes everything from pizza to pasta taste better, can also be part of a healthy weight gain diet. Cheese is packed with calories, protein, and calcium, making it a delicious and nutritious way to add some heft to your frame. I'm talking about real good quality cheese, like cheddar, mozzarella, feta, and brie. These cheeses are made from natural ingredients and are packed with flavor and nutrients. Add cheese to your salads, sandwiches, omelets, or simply enjoy a few slices on their own. But remember, moderation is key. Cheese is calorie-dense, so enjoy it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Now, for those of you who are always on the go, protein shakes can be a convenient and effective way to increase your calorie and protein intake. Start with a base of unsweetened almond milk, coconut milk, or even just water. Then, add a scoop of your favorite protein powder. Whey protein, casein protein, soy protein, brown rice protein. The options are endless. Boost the flavor and nutritional value with fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Get creative and experiment with different combinations. For those of you with a sweet tooth, dried fruit can be a healthy and delicious way to satisfy your cravings, while also adding some extra calories and nutrients to your diet. Opt for unsweetened or minimally sweetened varieties. Many dried fruits are loaded with added sugar, which can sabotage your weight gain goals. Look for dried fruits that are naturally sweet, like dates, figs, and raisins. Dried apricots, mangoes, cranberries, and pineapple are all delicious and nutritious options. Add dried fruit to trail mixes, yogurt parfaits, or simply enjoy them as a snack. Let's talk about bread. Yes, bread. That humble staple that's often demonized in the world of dieting. Bread can actually be part of a healthy weight gain diet. The key is to choose the right type of bread, whole grain bread. Whole grain bread is made from the entire grain kernel, which includes the bran, germ, and endosperm. This means that it's packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grain bread is also more filling than white bread, which can help you regulate your appetite and prevent overeating. Rye bread, pumpernickel bread, and oat bread are all excellent choices. Let's talk about bananas. These potassium-rich fruits are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious and calorie-dense. Bananas are packed with carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and supporting muscle growth. Enjoy a banana as a pre-workout snack, or add it to your post-workout smoothie for a boost of energy and nutrients. You can also incorporate bananas into your breakfast routine by adding them to your oatmeal, yogurt parfait, or pancakes. For those of you looking for a nutrient-packed grain that's also delicious and versatile, look no further than quinoa. This ancient grain, pronounced quinoa, has become a modern-day superfood for good reason. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent choice for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Quinoa can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups to stir-fries. There you have it, you lot. 16 healthy, delicious foods that will help you gain weight the right way. Remember, gaining weight isn't about stuffing your face with junk. It's about nourishing your body with proper food that will fuel your muscles, boost your energy, and help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Get in the kitchen and start cooking. Experiment with different recipes, try new combinations, and find what works best for you. Now go on, get out of my kitchen. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.